Working on Brady's truck today. It's got some cool stuff coming up. This thing, we put a Blueprint 500 horse small block in it a while back. Had drop spindles, flip kit, no C-notch. Hit a bump and feel the rear end bang. We did not do that. He'd bought the truck like that. So we're gonna do some upgrades. We're doing a full coilover conversion in the front, Ridetech with Wilwood brakes, and then also coilover conversion, 4-link conversion in the back. So we're going all the way on it. It's gonna be great. It'll have a C-notch in it, adjustable height-wise with the coilovers, and then we're gonna change the tailpipes on it, move the mufflers back. So we got a couple things to do, but I'm just kind of getting into it. As you can see, got a pile of parts on the floor. Just about ready to pull the rivets off these upper brackets here. You got to grind the rivets off and then cut the hole bigger so the coilover will fit through for the new bracket from Ridetech. So getting the front sway bar as well. The combination, it'll drive really good, ride really good, and stop really good. While. Why is it while? Got the front all assembled yesterday. 6-piston calipers, Wilwood rotors. They're all safety wired on the inside. Stainless brake lines, big sway bar. All the tie rods, idler, pitman arm, all that stuff's new and installed. Coilovers, so it's a nice kit. Now I'm starting on the back. So the back's gonna get a 4-link setup, coilovers, disc brakes from Wilwood with their park brake hat assembly. So I gotta pull the axles out of the rear end. But right now I'm just gonna start on doing the C-notch. So there's quite a bit of cutting. So I gotta pull all this stuff off, all the rear springs, spring perches. I have the rear end unbolted currently, but I gotta pull these rivets, get all that stuff off, clean the frame, and then put the new 4-link mount point on. Of course, after I cut it, I gotta C-notch it. So yeah, got a little work ahead of me today. Then from there, we do exhaust. And then. Getting everything lined out. Yeah, I got the pads and the calipers. Got our rotors all assembled with our safety wire. Had Nick do that. We've got 4 cars getting Wilwoods, and it took them about a week to torque and safety wire all 4 of those. 3, 4, I don't know. It's a lot. He's still working here. Yeah. He's a very patient young man because that's a tedious job doing that. But he did a good job on it. I assembled the coilovers this morning and just getting everything lined out. All this stuff's underneath the table here for our kit. Yeah. Lots of fun. Good stuff. Once I have the C-notch, that's the worst part, honestly. Well, and the drilling. That's another worst part. Lots of drilling. Nick, where's Nick at? I have a tool for you. Here you go.
Hey guys, we're back with Brady's C10 here. We're doing C-notch in the back, so we came in here and dropped the axle, cut off the leafs, notched the frame obviously, put the new plate over it because we're doing the full Ridetech as you saw with the 4-link in the rear. And yeah, we're gonna keep you guys updated on this process as we keep moving forward.
wrapping up Brady's truck today. So did quite a bit of work on this one. Came in, did a video of, I don't know, last year or something. We put a 500 horse blueprint motor in it, and then it was already lowered, had like a 4.6 drop in it, but he wanted a little bit more stuff. So we upgraded the brakes, did the Wilwood 6-piston calipers, 4-piston calipers in the back, coilover conversion, and the tailpipes used to end like right here. So I just wrapped up the exhaust, bent up the tailpipes, got them all moved, and then I was just putting the inspection cover back on the transmission. So pretty big job on this one. This one took a minute. You got to take the bed off to do it, do all the C-notch, a lot of drilling, a lot of cutting. But yeah, outside of that, it aligned great. And yeah, so we'll be out driving it here shortly. So stay tuned for that.